Good morning, people. This morning I'm going to do multitask. I've got two or three things I wanted to talk about and show. Number one, let's get it out the way. No names. The other day, I bought this little bitty jar of honey for $8 plus tax, trying to help out an organization. On the lid, it reads, "Wildflower honey, the best you can buy." It tastes like cheap syrup. And I'm comparing that to my honey off my hives. So live and learn, people. Be cautious. Okay, now, the second thing I want to get by here is the other day, I harvested my ginger. And I came in and I sliced it up real thin, put the apple cider vinegar and my honey in here with a little sugar. It's been 5 days now, and it's been in the icebox. Whew, smells good. Now, what I do with this, I cook with it. I'll bring out like one piece, but at your taste, you might want more than one. And I take, lay it out, slice it real thin, and then chop it real fine. And you can tell I'm not a chef. Anyway, I'll chop it real fine. And then if I'm cooking rice, even beans, sometimes I'll take and put about this amount, that's according to my taste. I'll put it in there, and it gives your rice a mild ginger, kind of a mild sweet ginger taste. It's really good, a little potent like this. Hey, boy, it's good. But that come out of my garden. Now, I need to drink water on that. Wow. Sorry about that. Now, Gigi and I use a lot of onions in our cooking. We've been known just to put a whole onion and smother potatoes with it. Slice potatoes, throw it in there with the onions. And all my years of onions, you're buying them, using them, eating them, growing them. My favorite onion, by a long shot, is your Vidalia sweet onions from Georgia. This particular brand is Human's Farm, real sweet, Vidalia, Georgia. Now they have purple sweet onions. I'm not sure where they're from. And I'm not talking bad about them because they're pretty good. But as far as the flavor, this is by far the best onion I've ever tasted. Now what I'll do with this, there's just two of us, about Gigi and I. I'll take all these onions, which is 5 pounds, and I'll cut them up, dice them up, put them in a little sandwich bag, and throw them in the freezer. And that way, whenever we start cooking, you just take it out, set it down, break the onions loose, get the amount you want, saute them, put the rest back in the freezer. You can buy onions already diced at the store, at Walmart, Kroger's, anywhere. But they cost you a fortune. One of these onions is almost a bag and a half. You think I'm joking? Buy you a big onion, a medium-sized onion, dice it up, compare it to the amount of onions you just bought. You have about 5 times the difference in price. It's not so much. I don't know. I just do this because I like the taste of that particular onion. So anyway, like and subscribe.